In this video, I will show you how to show photo and video thumbnails instead of default icons. Click on the search bar or Windows icon. In the search bar, type in File Explorer Options. Click on the File Explorer Options result that appears. In the File Explorer Options window, click on the View tab at the top. Look for the Setting option. Always show icons, never thumbnails. Uncheck this box. Click Apply. Then click OK. Thumbnails will now be displayed instead of generic icons. Make sure the view setting is set to one of the following: medium icons, large icons, or extra large icons. If you're using view options like list, small icons, or details, thumbnails will not be shown.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.